Textures range from bold to fine. Here the bold foreground includes rocks, broad foliage, and fine-textured pine, offering an attractive contrast. Here you can see bold texture in the foreground with the stone wall, medium to fine texture in the mid-range, bold texture behind it, and then fine texture in the far background. Large, bold textures create weight and draw your eye. Fine textures create an airy appeal and add motion. Fine texture sets the stage for bold flowers and this single bold agave plant. This picture is equally about color, a single color background, and texture. The two support each other. Fine textures in the foreground don't compete for attention with the bold white allium flowers and bold spiky foxglove flowers. The simplicity of color helps texture define this image. The punctuation of bold textures leads your gaze through this garden. Although brilliant color first draws your eye, it's the bold texture of the blue-leaved sunflower in the background that quietly frames this garden view.